Are you having inconsistencies on your label, such as one side being lighter than the other, or streaks going through your design? It's possible that your printhead pressure needs to be adjusted. We're going to be walking you through the steps of adjusting your printhead pressure. Just note that you may need to adjust your dials several times before you find the right pressure. First, open your printhead and move your ribbon into the middle and shut your printhead. There are two printhead pressure adjustment dials. You'll see there are three colors. Yellow means light pressure, orange means medium pressure, and red means high pressure. For the best print quality, you'll want to stay in the low to medium pressure range. This will also preserve your printhead life. To ensure even print pressure, the dials should always be on opposite sides. If one side of your label is printing too light, then you'll want to increase the pressure on that side. To increase the pressure, first loosen the nut by turning it counterclockwise. Then, turn the dial clockwise. Once you've adjusted the dial, tighten the nut back into place. Or, if one side of your label is printing too dark, you'll repeat the same process, but this time you'll turn the dial counterclockwise. Once you're finished, open your printhead, readjust your ribbon, and then shut it. Unpause your printer and then test print. If your print still doesn't look right, repeat the steps to find your right pressure. In need of labels and ribbon for your Zebra ZT610? Visit smithcorona.com or give us a call at 1-800-875-7000.